Hey guys, my Airsoft Addiction here today, reviewing the Ultrafire CR123A charger. You can get this off of airsoftclub.com for around $12. It does come with two CR123A batteries, and it also comes with the charger, which is the standard US 2-pin charger type. So what you do is you just get your battery, you put the positive side away from the light, you put it in like that, and you just push it down, and as you see, it's red and it's blinking green. That means it's not charged. If it's green, that means it is charged. So, nothing much to say about this. The construction is not amazing, but again, this is $12, and you won't be throwing this around like a crazy person anyways, hopefully. It does have two types. You can either choose to output it into for 3.6 volts or 3.0 volts. You can change that with like a little Allen key, I guess. And that's pretty much it, guys. You can use this for flashlight, as I'm using it for my holographic sight. You can use it for lasers if they take it, you know. It is made by Ultrafire, which is a rebranded as a Surefire, but it's like a cheaper version, and because Surefire is like ridiculously expensive, Ultrafire is like a Airsoft version. So you don't, because of Airsoft, you don't need extremely expensive parts and amazing, extremely expensive parts, because, you know. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys later.